It's a song called Perfect Ringtone.
You'll never have to hear another boring tone of ringing. And when you get an email, you can hear this song to make the people that you love in your life, baby, they can sing along. Yeah. This song would make a perfect ringtone, convert it to an MP3. Upload it to your media folder. Perfect ringtone, perfect ringtone. You good? Getting a text and you can read it soon. And when somebody Skypes you, I'll alert you with this ditty, and you'll know that it's your phone because the ringtone sounds so pretty. The phone can act just like a mini MTV, cause MTV equals me and get a tone from me. In the movie theater, people will respect your tone. You're alone and you can give a shot of that and a rigid tone. It's all we need. Upload it to your media folder. Perfect ringtone, perfect ringtone. Convert it to an MP3. Upload it to your media folder. Perfect ringtone, perfect ringtone. This song will make a perfect ringtone.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a nice cheer for our lovely singers, the Burning Sensation.